My name is Kevin MacDonald. I'm the Director of Operational Excellence here at Crestline Coach. Crestline is an ambulance and bus manufacturer here in Saskatchewan. Next year we'll be celebrating our 50th anniversary. As I mentioned, we build buses, ambulances, and we also remount previously built ambulances for our customers if they want to reuse them. As the Director of Operational Excellence, my main goal is to improve the business processes here at Crestline to create a great company. Right now I'm focused primarily on manufacturing, but the goal is to expand into product development, sales, all the other functions of the company to make a really effective company that can deliver more and more value for the customer. A typical workday for me is to understand where our problems are, try to identify the root cause, improve the business, spend a lot of time coaching and mentoring the team so that we can create a great company. Coaching the team includes helping people solve problems, coaching them on root cause problem solving, people interaction, behavioral skills, how to be more effective, right? You could be looking at technical solutions or just human nature and psychology. You work with a lot of people, so we have to figure out ways to speak to people the way they want us to be spoken to so that we can all achieve great results. I've always been interested in technology, so I went to University of Windsor in Ontario for mechanical engineering. During my university time, I had an internship at Ford Motor Company and I fell in love with manufacturing. In manufacturing, there's a ton of opportunities. You're never doing the same thing twice, right? You get to have a lot of different challenges. I worked at Ford for a few years, learned a lot, and then I moved into the ag industry. Moved to Saskatchewan in 2009, continued to learn in ag manufacturing. With that, I actually ended up not using too much engineering and started getting into more leadership roles and learning how to work with people better and better. You always want to know the technical side, but the people side is extremely important. And for the last 4 months, I work at Crestline Coach here. The skills and characteristics that a successful person needs to have, there's always obviously a technical aptitude that you need to have, but I actually encourage people to be curious, trying to always understand what's going on, not judging. We are where we are, and if we accept that and have a desire to move forward, you can make a lot of great improvements. What I love about working at Crestline or in manufacturing in general is there's a new problem every day. You're never bored. You solve a problem or complete a project, and there's always another new challenge that you can pick up because we're always looking to continuously improve. The job market for manufacturing careers in Saskatchewan looks pretty strong. It's not as big as Ontario or Quebec or the United States, but I think it's continuously growing. Also, between mining and some of the other industries, there's lots of transferable skills that you can grow. Advice I'd give someone trying to get into manufacturing is, one, you need that technical aptitude, so work on that. Secondly, always be curious, trying to understand what's going on. And lastly, never stop trying to learn, whether it's your technical skills, whether it's your behavioral or personal skills. But if you're always trying to improve those, you'll always get better and better and better. Keep an open mind. Always be willing to try new things so that you don't get stuck into one role and you lose opportunities. One of the things that really helped me is that I was always willing to take on new opportunities. I started in production, I went into maintenance, I went into engineering. So I got to really understand how the business works, and that really helped me for a lot of future opportunities.